I'm sharing a simple, healthier, air fryer Taiwanese chicken nugget recipe that is 50% less calories than KFC's popcorn chicken. Have you tried Taiwanese chicken nuggets before? It's delicious and tastes like an up-leveled popcorn chicken. It's a staple at many Taiwanese restaurants. If you're like many of my clients, you love eating fried chicken. So I want to create a healthier recipe that satisfies your crunchy fried chicken cravings. Because to lose weight, you don't need to be eating plain foods like salad and plain chicken breast all day. That's boring and doesn't make weight loss and keeping it off sustainable or fun. If you haven't had Taiwanese fried chicken before, it's essentially pieces of chicken thigh with the skin that are marinated, battered, deep fried, and tossed in some Chinese spices. The secret is the marinade and spices that make the Taiwanese chicken nuggets taste amazing. Since they are typically deep fried and uses chicken with the skin, the calories add up quickly. So that's why I created a simple, healthier, lower calorie air fryer version to share with you. This delicious air fryer Taiwanese chicken nugget recipe is simple to make. My husband and I tested this recipe quite a few times to make sure the flavors, spices, and crispiness were perfect. My husband loves Taiwanese chicken nuggets, so he's the perfect person to try this with. I still have nugget fatigue from the trials. Here are some pro tips from our trials. The chicken is first marinated with a mix of sugar, salt, Chinese cooking wine, white pepper, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and 5-spice. If you don't have Chinese cooking wine, you can use other alcohols like sake, bourbon, or sherry as a substitute. You can easily pick up Chinese cooking wine at the ethnic aisle at most grocery stores. The marinated chicken is then battered in tapioca flour. We tried using cornstarch, but preferred tapioca flour. Cornstarch is heavier than tapioca flour and didn't give a light, crispy coating that we preferred. However, if you only have cornstarch on hand, that's acceptable too. It's also important to not over batter the chicken, or it won't be crispy. Instead, tap the chicken on the plate after it's battered to remove the excess. I use spray oil to coat the chicken before it's air fried. It's important to coat the batter well with the spray oil, or you'll end up with dry, air fried batter that's not crispy. You don't have to overspray, but make sure the batter has oil on it. 1 second of spray is only 7 calories, so it's quite low. A mixture of dry spices, 5-spice, white pepper, and salt is dusted onto the air-fried Taiwanese chicken nuggets. This is the essential step to make the chicken nuggets taste like the authentic Taiwanese deep-fried version. 5-spice is a mixture of star anise, fennel seeds, Sichuan peppercorn, cloves, and cinnamon. The flavors of the spices give a sweet, bitter, sour, salty, and umami profile. It's used commonly in savory meat dishes. It's easily found in the spice aisle at most Asian grocery stores. 5-spice powder is essential. Don't skip on this ingredient. I used 8 skinless, boneless chicken thighs for this recipe, which was about 1.8 pounds. I cut up each thigh into 6 to 8 pieces. Each thigh is about 220 calories, and the marinade and batter divided by 8 is about 115 calories, assuming a 4-second spray of oil. However, these are quite large chicken thighs, so you might want to have 3/4 of a thigh, and the portion sizes of the batter would then be for 10. This makes it about 265 calories per serving. This is about 27 grams of protein from the chicken. If we compare this equivalent amount of chicken by using the gram of protein to popcorn chicken at KFC, it equals to 515 calories for the KFC popcorn chicken. So the amount from this recipe versus KFC's popcorn chicken for equivalent calories is about half the amount. Taiwanese chicken nuggets is one of my husband's favorite foods, so he was super excited with the recipe testing and even filmed himself making this recipe. So the hands you see in this video are not mine, and he likes to be one with the food. So let's get started. For healthy recipes and science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. So here is the Taiwanese chicken nuggets. So now, you wanna try it?
Smells good. Smells just like this real stuff.
Oh, it's crispy.
Crispy. Pretty good. It's not as oily, but still has good crunch.
How's
the
it?
flavor is good.
Okay.
Yeah, tastes like it. You can taste the 5 spice and the pepper. Tastes good.
Cool. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes. Go to adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.